Soil erosion and conservation, class 5th, chapter 9, LAQ. Long answer type question. Question 1. How is soil formed? Explain in detail. Answer. Soil formation. This is very slow process. It takes many years to form soil. Now, in soil formation, large rocks, they are broken down by different factors like air, heat of the sun, snow, moving water into small pieces. Large rocks broken down into small pieces by these factors like air, heat of the sun, moving water, etc. The process of breaking down of rocks into small pieces is known as weathering, and this process is repeated many times. As a result, these small pieces of rocks are broken down further into fine particles of soil, and in this way soil is formed. Question 2. Explain the three layers of soil. Illustrate with the help of diagram. Answer. Three layers of soils are topsoil, subsoil and bedrock. Children, I think you already know this. The three layers of soil are topsoil, subsoil and bedrock, not topsoil. Topsoil means the uppermost layer of the soil. This is called topsoil. Most of the plants grow here and it is the most fertile layer. It is rich in organic matter called humus. Humus, this is the dead and decayed part of plants and animal remains. And this is rich in nutrients, and humus help the plants to grow properly. Subsoil, the layer is below topsoil and it consists of small sized rocks and soil particles, but it does not contain any humus. Bedrock. It lies below the subsoil and contains unweathered rock, or we can say the parent rock from which the soil is formed. Now you are seeing diagram of layers of soil. The diagram shows the soil has three layers: the topsoil, top layer, subsoil and the bed rock. Question number 3. How is man responsible for soil erosion? Answer. Man is responsible for soil erosion in the following ways. First is deforestation. Deforestation means cutting down of trees and plants in large quantity, and roots of the trees hold the soil and prevent soil erosion. And when the trees are cut, soil becomes loose and can be easily blown by the wind and flow away by water. Overgrazing. Overgrazing by cattle leads to land without grass cover. When the grass is completely eaten by the cattle, then the land become barren without any cover. Now soil becomes loose and this blows away by wind and flows with water. Question number 4. Write briefly about the methods of conservation of soil. Children, in this answer we are writing 8 methods, but for learning you can do any 5. Now try to understand. Method of conservation of soil. The following methods helps us to control soil erosion, and these are by growing grass. Grass grows, covers the soil fast and it holds the soil with the fibrous roots. So the growing grass, so this helps in reducing soil erosion. Now the second point, by growing more plants and trees. The roots of plants and trees can hold the soil tightly and in this way avoid soil erosion. So we have to grow more plants and trees. Now third point is crop rotation. Different types of crops are grown to maintain the fertility of the soil. So the crop rotation methods helps in maintaining the fertility of the soil. Cover crops. This should be planted between the two harvest crops to prevent soil erosion. Fifth point is by preventing overgrazing in forest and grassland, we can prevent soil erosion. Sixth point, by making burns in crop fields or agricultural fields. Next point is by making terrace farming on hill slopes. And the last point is by making dams across rivers and embankments along the river. So these are the different methods of conservation of soil.